The German Geoscience Research Center, GFZ, reported an earthquake measuring 5.6 on the Richter scale in Nepal near Nepal, Doti, Uttar Pradesh. The earthquake occurred early morning local time at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth of the quake will likely be revised in the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review the data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their reports. Our monitoring service identified a second report from the Raspberry Sheikh Citizen Seismograph Network that also recorded an earthquake measuring 5.6 on the Richter scale. Based on preliminary seismic data, the earthquake was likely felt by many communities around the epicenter. It should not cause any significant damage, other than objects falling off shelves, broken windows, etc. In Nepal, Pop. 23,400 located 48 kilometers from the epicenter, Dadeldura, Pop. 19,077 kilometers away, Durkula, Pop. 18,381 kilometers away, and Dilek, Pop. 20,986 kilometers away. The earthquake should have felt like a shake light. Automatically update the magnitude and depth if anything changes and follow up if other important news about the earthquake becomes available. If you're in the area, please send us your experience via our reporting mechanism either online or via our mobile app. Thank you.